Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am putting together a little item I got for Christmas that I haven't yet opened, and this is going to be a fun one. So what I have here is a flamethrower. No, I'm just kidding. Well, I guess I'm not really kidding. It is kind of a flamethrower. It's a weed torch, and I have a couple of areas on my property where I put down little gravel landscape, I guess. And unfortunately, I overseeded my lawn after, well, not unfortunately, but I overseeded my overseeded my lawn after I had put down that gravel. And for some odd reason, ever since I did that, grass keeps growing up through the gravel and it's driving me nuts. And it's not something you can easily just weed whack. And it's not like just a random clump of weeds that I can just pull out. It's just grass. So I was like, what can I do to get rid of that? And I discovered this little weed torch on Amazon. And I decided that I was going to put it on my Christmas list. It goes for about 40, 45 bucks. And I should probably read the directions while I'm putting this together, huh? You can hook this up to a regular 20-pound propane tank that you would use on like your gas grill, or you can also use the small 1-pound cylinders as well. And I don't have one of those right now, the 1-pounders, so I'm just going to use my regular, the spare 20-pounder that I have for our grill. But let me get this together. I'm not going to bore you with the assembly. Let me get it all together, and then we'll go have some fun with it. Okay, so assembly was pretty easy. You literally just connect the hose, screw it on, make sure it's snug. This is what it looks like. You got a little wand. It's got a little red ignition button and a little dial to turn it on. I've got the propane hooked up. It says this, I didn't measure it, but it says it's got a 12-foot hose. Yeah, it's probably close to 12 feet. I'd say that's about 12 feet. So this is what we're talking about. See how I've got this little rock bed? I put this down because we don't have gutters on the side of our garage, and it just kept the rainwater from splashing up the dirt and stuff. So I'm gonna hit this right here and see how it does. All right, there we go. We've got a little flame going right now. This button right here, this lever, if you pull it, it really like, oh yeah, look at that. Wowzers. Huh. This sure beats pulling weeds out by hand. Of course, I probably should have been a little bit safer and got a hose ready just in case we had a runaway fire, but I think I'm okay. Woo! This is fun. All right, let's shut this off for a minute. And let's take a look and see how that did. All right. So all that grass that was growing up, oop, I missed a little spot, I'll hit that. But yeah, it just chars it down. I got to imagine that stuff ain't growing back now that I've charred it. So yeah, I'd say this works. All right, I'm not gonna bore you guys with the rest of this. I'm gonna kind of finish up this little row right here, and then we'll sit back down on the porch and we'll talk about it, and I'll tell you what I think. All right, so let's recap as I'm taking this apart. This, I didn't mention it in the beginning, but this was off of Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. This brand was called Calpos. It's sorry if I'm looking away. My laptop is in front of me. It's spelled Calpose, and it's a Calpos propane torch flamethrower, heavy duty, high output, 400,000 BTU weed burner torch with a 12-foot hose used for garden, wood roofing, snow road, compatible with, I don't know what half of this stuff means, with POL, QCC1 and 1LB adapter, 3-into-1. So anyways, I'm just taking it apart. Everything worked as it was supposed to. There were no leaks as far as I could tell. You know, it was very, very simple to use. So it comes in 2 pieces. So you just basically screw this together. The igniter, this little igniter thing keeps popping off, but I guess it doesn't really mean much. But this igniter button got a nice click to it. So basically you just, you put the 2 pieces together. You hook the hose in, you hook the other end of the hose up to the propane tank, turn on your propane, turn on this little dial, and then you just press the red button and it ignites, and then you use the little trigger to, increase the BTUs, I guess. But anyways, that's it. It works. It came with this little kit, case, or whatever you want to call it, and it also came with the adapter, and what looks to be like some sort of plumbing tape if you're going to use the adapter. But I believe this adapter is if you're going to use the smaller 1-pound propane cylinders. This will be very infrequent use for me, so I may or may not invest in one of those. I don't know. I have my big 20-pound spare propane tank here that we use for the grill. So when I need to use this, I'll probably just use that, But anyways, this worked just as it was supposed to. As I'm packing this up, I will take one more walk over there and I'll show you the final results. Okay, so here's the final result. Got all of the grass burned away. This whole row here. After I did the initial demonstration showing me burning the grass, I did pull the hose out because we had a bunch of these little pine cones right here. See that little pine cone? There were a whole bunch of them kind of just sitting in the rocks, and they were kind of just, waiting to ignite. I said to myself, it's only going to take one of those, to have a glow to it, and then a gust of wind blow it down into the woods and cause a huge forest fire here. So I did pull the hose out, and then after I was done doing this whole rock bed, I just wet the whole thing down. So anyways, it works. So thanks again for watching my videos. I appreciate all of your support. Please, if you haven't already done so, like and subscribe. Again, my name's Joe. Random Stuff with Joe is the name of the channel. We do a little bit of everything here, from log home stuff to tractors to motorcycles to car stuff. I don't know. We do a little bit of everything here. So like and subscribe. Maybe the next video might be something you're into. So appreciate your support, and we will catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.